Guitar Top 20 Sungura Songs of 2025, the year of the Great Revitalization. Welcome back to Chero TV, your home for the pulse of Zimbabwean music. 2025 has been a monumental year for Sungura. While critics often say the genre is old school, this year's charts prove that the lead guitar and the sub-rhythm are more alive than ever. From the return of Baba Shero to the meteoric rise of the new generation artists, here are the top 20 tracks that defined the year. The chart toppers: Muchazvirega, Ngwazi, Zvichada Hama, Alick Macheso, Cheukai, Desmond Moyowashe, Mr. Available, Baba Harare, Sungura, Jiti Fusion, Yadeuka, Simon Mutambi, Hunhu Hwakashata, Alick Macheso, Mhanza Haisekwi, Dorcas Moyo featuring Alick Macheso, Ndiri Kukuzivai, Ngwazi, Imari Ngani, Ngwazi, Mubvunzo, Tafadzwa, Kukuzivai, Alick Macheso, Mubvunzo, Josfat Somanje featuring Tafadzwa, Mugwazvangu, Tafadzwa featuring Silent Killer, Sungura Dancehall Fusion, Tiri Pamitsets, Simon Mutambi, Chember Yako, Simon Mutambi, Nyaradzo Yababa, Ngwazi, Kuvarangara, Alick Macheso, Mubvunzo, Romeo Gasa, Hama Chadzo, Tindo Ngwazi, Tione, Sugar, Glowing Star 2025 Trends. What changed? This year, we saw a massive shift in how Sungura is produced. Ngwazi continued to challenge the status quo with deep lyrical metaphors in Muchazvirega, while Alick Macheso reminded everyone why he is the king, with the Kukuzivai EP, proving that the classic bass-heavy sound still moves the nation. Perhaps the most exciting trend was the Sungura fusion. Baba Harare's shift back to his roots and Tafadzwa's collaborations with Zimdancehall artists, like Silent Killer, have brought a younger audience to the genre, making it a staple at every braai and wedza across Zimbabwe. Watch the countdown on Chero TV. Want to see the official music videos and live performances for these hits? Tune into Chero TV every Friday night for our Sungura Top 20 countdown. Hashtags for Chero TV. Hashtag Chero TV, Sungura 2025, hashtag Zim Music, hashtag Alick Macheso, hashtag Ngwazi, hashtag Baba Harare, hashtag Sungura Musev, hashtag Zim Entertainment, hashtag Zimbabwe Music, hashtag Musev Vibes, hashtag Chero TV Music.